Getting a little cooler out, so today's the day we're going to install the winter tires and undercoat the 2012 Chevy Equinox. What I'm going to do first is, here's my 52 Ford 8N farm tractor. All the gravel in this area, I'm going to drag it all the way up here, that way when I undercoat the truck, it's not going to leave a lot of oil residue. Typically I'll do it on this old concrete, but then I get all the staining. It's a no drip undercoating, but it still does drip and you get a fine mist on the cement or concrete. So what I'm going to do is use the tractor and drag probably that much gravel to a pile right along here, and then once I'm done I'll back drag it back there. To do, just clear out the clean gravel there, that way I can install the tires and then I can do the undercoating without getting oil all over the gravel. And again, this is an environmentally friendly undercoating, but I just don't want it, my driveway or the gravel all stained. And then once I'm done, I'll back drag all the piles of gravel there back over this way. What I'm going to do is take off the front driver's side tire, and what I'm going to use for that is I have a 3-ton jack. Now whenever you're jacking up a vehicle, make sure it's on a solid ground. This driveway's been packed down for the last 100 years and it is solid. So what I'm going to use to take that off is my trusty old maximum turn around so you can see it, impact gun. It's electric. I've had this for 5 or 6 years, has been phenomenal. It's never let me down. And then once I get that tire off, I'm going to undercoat underneath that corner of the vehicle. That's my undercoating gun. And this is the undercoating I'm using. It's called a Proform. So you can see how much quicker an impact gun is compared to using the old wrench. do is go underneath the vehicle and completely soak her down. And again, I'm using my little undercoating kit. It did have a nozzle, almost like a little wand that came off that would fan it out. That is broke, so unfortunately I have to do it this way, which puts a lot more undercoating on the vehicle and more or less wastes. All undercoated. As you can see, it's on nice and heavy. And again, I don't care if it drips. It's going to drip and burn off the exhaust a little bit for a day or two, but it's coated really nice. We're on the undercoating gun where it has this little tip, and you put it in and it kind of spreads it. Shooting it in all different directions there, so it's nice to get in underneath the hood and get in all in the little tight corners and whatnot. I always undercoat up all around the hood, your strut towers, in around your battery, pretty much wherever there's any exposed metal. And then lastly, undercoated. Again, it's on very heavy. I got the winter tires on. It had an oil change about 2 weeks ago, and it was recently waxed, so it's all ready to go for the winter time. You can see there's quite a sheen on it from the undercoating, and I'm going to leave it alone for about a week and then I'll wash it after, because one thing I always do is I spray in all the seams. That's where they have a tendency of rusting. And again, especially right around the front fenders where they meet the front bumper. Again, guys, whenever you're changing tires, make sure to re-torque them again after a week or a few hundred kilometers of driving. And just to let you know, I've been using my Campbell Housefield 2.5 horsepower. It's an 8-gallon compressor. That's what I was using during my home renovations and to undercoat the car. So the next step is I'm going to go and put this over on the grass, and then I'm going to get the old tractor and I'll push back the gravel. Gravel all grate it back. That way I don't have any oil stains all over the clean gravel. It's all buried underneath. There's the old tractor I used. The Equinox just smoking and dripping away. And again, it will drip for a couple days, and then typically it will smoke for half hour or so, just if there was any overspray on the exhaust system. Anyways guys, just a short video of moving some gravel, changing some tires and rims on the Equinox, and doing a little undercoating on it. Thanks for watching guys, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.